Musk opened the first Tesla factory outside of the United States in Shanghai in 2019. Since then, Musk has announced the opening for 4 more Gigafactories throughout the world. Among these is the Giga Berlin. Keep watching to find out more about the 7 billion Gigafactory that opened in Europe. What is a Gigafactory? First, let's see what a Gigafactory is. Tesla CEO Elon Musk created a phase for the upcoming lithium-ion battery production site in Nevada in 2013. According to Tesla, the factory's name comes from the word giga, which means billion. But in simple terms, a gigafactory is a battery production facility simply gigantic in scale. It brings together many companies and components to scale up with lithium-ion battery production to unheard heights. Now back to the Berlin Gigafactory. With an initial investment cost of $4 billion, it is said to produce batteries, battery packs, powertrains, and assemble the new Model Y once released in 2022. It is also said to have some other features such as a new rave cave and even a swimming pool. That's something that we don't usually expect to see in a factory, right? When Musk tweeted at the final rendered project of the Gigafactory, his followers noticed a pool of water on the roof, and Tesla was pressed for classification as people started questioning if it was a swimming pool. Musk responded briefly, yet clearly, with sure. Environmentally friendly factory. Tesla has launched new operation centers in different parts of the world. One of them was the $7 billion German factory, or also known as the Giga Berlin in Europe. So in November 2019, Musk revealed his plans for a Gigafactory. However, a German court has ordered Tesla to temporarily suspend the preparation work for its Gigafactory near Berlin after local activists raised worries about the factory's impact on wildlife and water supply. The company's CEO, Elon Musk, has also defended the factory's environmental impact. In a series of tweets, Musk said that the Gigafactory will not use much water daily and that the forest is being removed is not a natural forest. Giga Berlin will build sustainable energy vehicles using sustainable energy, so net environmental impact will be extremely positive, the CEO tweeted. Environmental challenges had been resolved in court rulings by February 2020, allowing vegetation on the site to be cleared. In late 2020, Elon Musk also quoted, "I'm pretty confident that Giga Berlin would be the world's most environmentally friendly factory in the world. Tesla is working to provide enough drinking water by conserving water at the plant and exploring alternative options. The critical aspect is that Tesla can resolve the water issue since Brandenburg is not a desert region like California. It's also said that the factory will store and use both solar and wind energy and even geothermal energy. What a way to promote and implement the sustainable developments. The factory is also designed so that excess heat produced due to production will be directly channeled and used to heat the facility during colder months to reduce costs. The factory is being built so that it may become the world's most environmentally friendly factory, consistent with Elon's environmental promises. Why Berlin? Tesla chose Berlin for a variety of reasons. Elon has expressed his affection for Germany on numerous occasions, mentioning Berlin having the best nightclubs as one of the reasons. Maybe this is why Elon Musk himself chose to build a rave cave under the Gigafactory. In March 2019, Musk tweeted a poll asking the public if Tesla should have a mega rave cave under the Gigafactory. Over 80,000 people had participated in this vote, with 90% agreeing with this idea. Another reason why Brandenburg was chosen is that the industrial site was expandable. The state produces the highest green power per citizen in Germany, and the location has qualified workers. Germany is known for producing some of the world's top automobiles, for example, the Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Porsche, and many more. Some of the best cars in the world are made in Germany. Everyone knows what German engineering is, and it's outstanding. For sure, that's the part of the reason why we are locating our Gigafactory, Europe in Germany, said Elon Musk. Site and construction. The Gigafactory location is a 3 square kilometer greenfield land property that has been classified as an industrial zone. It was initially planned as a BMW car location around 2000, which was 2 decades ago, but BMW chose Saxony instead. The bordering neighbor of the state, Brandenburg, the site was occupied by monoculture planted pines and trees. The authorities expect Tesla to inhibit the felling of trees by producing more of diverse varieties. What was surprising was that the engineers had to clear the site of bombs dating back to World War II. 7 bombs have been disposed of in a controlled explosion in January 2020 to make way for the construction of the Gigafactory. By June 2020, early foundation work had begun. The first 4 construction cranes were installed and the arrival of trainloads of building materials such as pillars and beams, according to Musk, and the construction will proceed at an almost impossible seeming speed. The Berlin plant will be the first central manufacturing facility situated in Europe. Other factories are already operational in Nevada, New York, and Shanghai. The Gigafactory in Berlin will be the world's most advanced high-volume electrical vehicle production factory. Once fully up and running, it is said to have a capacity of 500,000 cars per year for the European market. The battery cell plant. Musk indicated the production of battery cells at the exact German location would begin at a capacity of 100 gigawatt-hours per year and subsequently increase to 250 gigawatt-hours per year. A single factory with 100 gigawatt-hour annual capacity could produce enough batteries for a 1.3 million Model Y cars with 75 kilowatt batteries, which is seriously impressive. The Giga press is another critical technology that the factory will utilize. The Idro Group in Italy produces the Giga press series of die casting machine. It is noted for having the world's most giant high-pressure die casting machine. The two biggest casting machines in the world have been purchased by Tesla, according to Elon Musk, in April 2020 to cast the Tesla Model Y, chassis, and crash rails in a single component. Assembling the Model Y will now be easier and faster as an outcome of this. As of February 2021, Tesla had 3 casting machines installed at the Giga Shanghai, 2 machines at the Tesla factory in California, and 1 machine partially installed at the Giga Berlin at the Giga Austin. Product innovation and production methods at the Gigafactory will be cutting edge with the most powerful battery systems, high-performance drive units, and power electronics among them. A new dimension in casting techniques and a greatly efficient body shape, customers will receive the world-class vehicles with the next generation paint finishes and high-quality assembly. At the Berlin plant, Tesla intends to produce 4,680 cells with a higher energy density and dimensions of 80 by 46 millimeters. It also has water recycling facility, a local fire department, and a depot to ensure that components and other commodities are transported more smoothly. Local renewable resources will cover the site's electricity needs. Elon added that Tesla would also have a battery recycling, and he expects the batteries to last for a very long time. Tesla is currently aiming to increase their production by 50% a year, and this will put the company on track to achieve its goal of a million car output capacity by the year 2022. Tesla's move is seen as a significant boost to the Eastern Germany, which has struggled with high unemployment rates and difficulties attracting large industrial firms. The creation of this factory is also said to create 12,000 job opportunities, with 6,000 to 7,000 jobs production alone. Berlin is also a continental hub for air and rail traffic and a sophisticated public transportation system. Elon Musk wants his factory to be as convenient for his workers as possible. True train stations will be connected to the plant, allowing for individuals to arrive at their destination on time without worrying about transportation. Country Fair and Rave hosted by Tesla. For the grand launch of Giga Berlin, Tesla had a country fair event. Then the most significant part is that it's a win for sustainable energy. Tesla's objective is something that the world needs to help us shift our attention away from fossil fuels and towards clean energy. What better way to remind society of the significance of sustainability than to throw a fair and rave? A user named @DareCasper on Twitter posted a video of Tesla's Giga Berlin tour. He was beginning a photo of the factory's interior, which shows Tesla's gigantic casting machinery and processes, as well as some robots. He added that there were a total of 445 robots involved in the entire process. He also mentioned that the Model Y contains the most up-to-date technology, including new cells and front and back single castings. Tesla's painting process is also shown, which used up 50% less water than initially planned, so much for conserving water. So, what are your thoughts on the Tesla's new $7 Gigafactory? If you enjoyed the video, comment down below your thoughts and views down below. So, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.